Hey friends, this is Prokopis from String Systems, and as you can see, I'm not in the studio right now. We're doing our best to follow the lockdown guidelines here in Cyprus, so this is actually my 5-year-old son's room, which happens to be the most convenient room in our apartment to do this. I hope that you're well, but I know that even if you are, your lifestyle is probably disrupted by the coronavirus crisis to varying degrees, depending on your location. My sister and her family live in northern Italy, which was hit very hard, and thankfully they're healthy, but it's definitely a difficult situation. Anyway, first of all, I want to say thank you to everyone who responded to my email last week. As I will describe in a bit, I have been keeping busy, so I haven't had time to write back to all of you yet, but it felt wonderful to see such great response and realize that we can encourage each other as a community of guitar players and stay connected through these strange times. I'm trying to find ways to help, so I wanted to let you know about 3 different things that I'm already doing and also ask you for suggestions on how to do more. Action number 1 is what I call the Stuck at Home Scholarship. Some of you are stuck inside, which would be a great opportunity for going through guitar courses, but you may be in financial trouble as well and can't afford to invest in courses right now. So I have decided to make the subscription available for free to those of you that are in this situation. Just use the link below for that. I also have reduced price options for those of you who are doing a bit better but can't afford the full price. So I'm going to trust you on this. Choose the free option if you need to, and I hope that this will allow all of you that are stuck at home to at least make the most of it in terms of your guitar progress. Action number 2 is helping out with special education. My wife is a music therapist and works for Limassol's public special school, helping children with disabilities. These kids are stuck at home right now, and the staff at the school is not very tech savvy, so I have decided to make the String Courses platform available to them to host videos or other material and help the kids remotely with home activities and so on. So I'm helping with video editing, creating the web pages, uploading and setting up everything in a way that's easy to access with easy navigation and so on. Action number 3 has to do with giving to charity. As you can imagine, even some of the best organizations out there are already in financial trouble because people are scared and donations decrease. And people in need tend to be forgotten in times like this. So with your support, I'm trying the best to help there. I will give you more information in a separate video because I'm still working out the details. But I have decided to donate 50% of all the sales of string courses during the months of March and April. So those of you who are financially comfortable and would like to help while investing in some effective guitar courses at the same time, I hope that you consider taking part in this. That's it. This is what I'm working on right now. If you have any ideas or suggestions on how we could help each other or help others more as a community of guitar players, please use the comment section or email me directly at prokopis@string.systems. Thank you all for watching. Once again, I wish you well and hope that you and your family stay strong through this and come out better when all this is over.